Hey YouTube, today I want to go over the Wright Genesis. Nice little bushcraft knife here, just received it, and my Carta green and a flat grind. So it came in a very nice little white box, paper around the blade, and you can see here, I'll try to do this with one hand, which might be a little tough. Slowly. There it is, in all its glory. Go over the case first. So you see it's nice leather. Nice rivets. It's got this nice belt loop, and then a looks like a D-ring. Looks like it's welded, sealed. Looks like a button clipping onto a belt. Let it hang. Can't seem to get it off. But you can see the little screw right there. So that's probably why I couldn't get it off. Anyway, there's the fire stick holder. I did not get that because I already have a bunch of them. I just need to find them all. I know they're peppered around the house somewhere. You can see that thickness right there. Can't really, it's pretty stiff. Try and bend it a little bit. You can hear it creak. It's nice. I like this. I think it's only one color it comes in, which is nice. I like it. I have a mixture of Kydex and leather, but leather is always nice. Kydex, plasticky. Various different people agree with different things. Here we are with the knife. Go over these brass inserts, or we'll call them rivets. I forget what they're called, the name. Someone could comment and let me know what they're called. I'd greatly appreciate it. Or Google's your friend. So you can see there's 3 of them. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see each one. And then the ring here for hanging some, paracord or something. And I'll zoom in a little bit on the micarta. You can see the kind of like a carbon fiber look. Next little bit, well, a little bit like a carbon fiber around here. And then here it looks kind of like a simulated wood grain. And then you can see it's a full tang from the tip. Put this over the leather so you can see it. Nice tip. Full tang all the way to the end. Nice, smooth, rounded. Everything's smooth. I mean, you can't not feel the micarta in the metal where one begins just by a finger, maybe by a fingertip. Barely with the fingertip. I mean, LT.WrightGenesis did a spectacular job on this. You can see the bottom. I mean, look at that. It's just perfect. I mean, I was contemplating between this and the Benchmade Bushcrafter 162. They're both around the same price. shout out to DLT Trading. They got this to me within a couple days. I'll put a link down below, but you can find this other places too. But DLT Trading, just super quick and fast. A lot of the places had this unavailable in the micarta green, and the flat grind. You can see the logo right there. You can see the brush of the blade. This right here, got the little scallops right here. This just, you see it fit in my hand. It's just, it feels really good. I mean, it's just, you know, this just, you know, for digging, or, you know, chopping, you know, mini stuff, even cutting steaks and, you know, whatnot. Utility knife is bushcraft utility. Feels really good. This 90 degree right here, all right here, you could feel the little edge on it. It's pretty sharp. So on both sides right here. So if you're using it to start to fire with the fire steel, you'd be just using your finger right here, or, you know, just like scraping down like that on the fire steel, holding it. This thing's gonna start fire with the fire steel and this sharp angle right here. It's really nice. You can see that the tip goes right there to the middle, just smooth and straight across. The tip, a little bit of a point, pretty sharp. This sharpness on the tang edge, full tang, the flat edge, sharp all the way to the edge. And obviously the knife, pretty sharp, cut paper and stuff like that. And obviously not supposed to cut paper, it's enemy of the knife, but just a quick test, it does. You can see the flat grind. Sorry, let me just try and zoom in. See that right there. See a little bit of angle right there. I contemplated between this and the Scandi grind. The Scandi obviously starts about right here down, so it's like a bigger thing, you know, for, you know, batoning and, you know, other bushcrafter stuff. So I'm mostly going to use this for just outdoor camping and mountain, working on stuff in garden, yard, you know, you know, if I need to chop wood down, I got an axe, hand axe, longer axe. This will be great for, you know, other utilities that a knife is still needed for, but something that's tougher. I will do another video on after this is being used for a while. Also, by the way, it comes with a little bit of an oil on there, like a maybe preservative. So I got most of it off just before I put it in the sheath, and, you know, and then I cleaned it with some cloths. But really nice looking knife. I mean, like I said, it just fits perfect. Balance wise, I don't know. I think it's a little heavy on the back end. It's probably gonna. Yeah, a little heavy on the back end. You can see where I had my finger right here, and it kind of almost balanced. So, pretty close to the balance. It's actually got some weight to it. You know, I don't know how much the micarta weighs, but the metal itself is probably weighing pretty good. As far as like, you know, straightness, There's the tip right there in the middle of the camera. Blade, you can see right there. Like I said, really nice, well put together. Like how these scallops are perfect. They fit perfect right here. You could just, I don't know, they thought this through. Really perfect how they put these right here, and everything else. I guess it's called a broomstick handle. But all in all, pretty darn, really well put together knife. Like I said, I'll put together the link where I got it from, and put together some other information. Anybody has any questions on it? Usage, bending. I don't think this is gonna bend. It's on granite right here. Let me try right here. Yeah, I don't think there's much flex. I mean, look how thick that is. I don't think it's gonna flex. Oh, look, I put a scratch on it. My first scratch on the leather. Dang it. So, like I said, any questions, let me know. You want to see another video on this, me using out and, trying some samples stuff. I know other people have done samples and videos and stuff, and, how it's used and stuff, but, I want to do some real world. Interesting thing about the micarta green, certain angles it does look a little brownish, tannish, but it does look green, so, trying different angles and stuff, and, like I said, interesting, but very nice knife. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.